What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business for beginners in 2024, and also I'm going to show you a tool that I'm utilizing to build multiple passive income streams with affiliate marketing. So first of all, let me show you some of my results by I promote this training, the 72-hour challenge in Free Accelerator. Right now I have $18 in unpaid earnings, but if I go to payouts, these are my latest payments. So as you can see, I have been making money with affiliate marketing every month. And these are not crazy results, but these are my real results. So as an affiliate marketer, we need to send traffic to an affiliate link. And if someone buys through that link, we can make that commission. And we can do that by building an automated sales system. So what is that? So basically that is a funnel. And a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. So this is a funnel that I have been using. So this is a done for you system that I downloaded from a high ticket product, a high ticket training. So exactly the Freedom Accelerator training, high ticket product. So this training has done for you system inside here, Freedom Accelerator. But one of the latest updates about this training is that the creator Jonathan Montoya has just launched recently a tool that we can utilize to promote 14 or 15 different affiliate programs. Right now I'm going to show you like the step by step. So the step by step guide to build a 24/7 sales system from complete scratch, because it's important for you to know the skills. And then if you want to utilize that same system that I'm using, you can do it as well. So check this out. This is a sales funnel. And this funnel has 3 steps. It has an opt-in page, which is basically a capture page. And I use this page to capture the name and the email. Basically, one of the most important things about the capture page is the hook or the title. And if you have a capture page with a good title or with a good hook and a good lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. If you have a lead magnet that is going to solve people's problems, that is like the recipe to collect emails. So check this out. When someone sees this page and read, hey, finally the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch without having a product experience or dealing with clients. Hey, I want to know more about this online business. And if I click here, hey, free ebook download, get instant access. So when people click this button, this pop-up appears and I can collect the name, the email, and if people want, they can write their phone number. I have here more information, a picture of the ebook and my own photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product as an affiliate marketer, because I'm an affiliate for this company. And once people opting in their information, they will get access to the second page, in which I tell them, hey, please check your email because I'm going to send this ebook through email. And then people will go to the bridge page. And this is super important because in the bridge page, I have recorded a simple video in which I explain the next steps people need to do in order to learn the skills about affiliate marketing so they can start their own online business. And also, I tell them that if they click this button, get started today, they will be clicking my affiliate link. So, and if they buy the product through this button, they will go exactly to this opt-in page. And if they put their information inside of that page, I'm going to send another referral to this company. And if that person buys in the next 3, 4, 5, or 6 months, I can make that commission because once we have sent a referral, It doesn't matter the time in which they buy the product. We can make that commission. But more importantly, if they buy the high ticket product, we can make that commission as well, or the upsells. So check this out. Once people goes to this page, once people go to the page and they say, okay, so this is interesting, but I'm not going to put my information right now, and let's say that they close the page. That is why we have collected the email. Now that we have the email, it's important to build a nurturing sequence. So what is that? So basically, these are emails that we have written previously, and inside of the emails we can send again our main core offer. And also we can promote supporting offers to help those people to achieve their goals, because affiliate marketing is basically helping people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is their goal. And we can do that by giving them the exact information that they need to achieve their goals. So in this case, for example, with this automation workflow or nurturing sequence, I give in valuable information to people who want to start an affiliate business from scratch. So check this out. When someone subscribes to this list, this software, the name is GetResponse, is going to send these 2 emails automatically, and then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day. It's going to send the email number 3. And the first emails, and inside of the first emails, I have valuable information, which is my free affiliate marketing training. And even if people don't buy from me, from my affiliate links, I know that I gave people good information. So check this out. Then GetResponse is going to wait for another day and is going to start sending these emails. And inside of these emails, I'm promoting my YouTube channel. So I have links for my YouTube videos. And then GetResponse is to wait for another day. And then I started to promote TubeBuddy, which is a software that I use to do keyword research. And as you can see, I have here many emails, and I need to add more emails to this nurturing sequence. Basically, we need to add more. We need to add as many emails as we can to promote more supporting offers, to promote the main core offer, and also give more information to our email list. Now, this is like the step-by-step guide on how you can build your own sales funnel. Now, I'm going to show you a software. This is a tool that Jonathan has created. Basically, this has a done for you system just to copy and paste, and we can copy and paste an entire ecosystem of products to promote. So check this out. The magic of this software, the name is Funnel Freedom, is inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. So I click here, Funnel Freedom, and then so it's going to open this page, and I'm going to click affiliate link settings. So basically, we can promote all of these products by just copying and pasting our affiliate links inside of this page. So I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is the software, Legendary Marketer, System.io, Secret of Success, GetResponse, Reporters.io, BDQ, Bizla, and as you can see, we can promote high quality products, high ticket products, and software to help people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B. So in this case, is to build an affiliate marketing business. And I'm utilizing this software to build multiple passive income streams because I'm promoting all of these products. Right now, I have 14 affiliate links inside of this page. So that is the first step. The second step is to drive traffic to the opt-in page, so to this funnel. Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And inside of this funnel, we have an opt-in page. And I'm driving traffic to this page to collect the name and the email. So when people click this button, take the free course, we can collect the name and the email. And then Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course in exchange for the email. And inside the course, people are going to find buttons, and if they click those buttons, people will be clicking my affiliate links. That is how we can promote those 14 or 15 affiliate links that I just showed to you inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. But more importantly, Jonathan has built a nurturing sequence so we can promote all of those products. So if you remember that in GetResponse, we need to write our emails by ourselves. We need to keep valuable information. We need to do all the entire work. But with Funnel Freedom, we have the nurturing sequence ready to be sent to our email list. Right now, I have 20 people enrolled on this email sequence. And we have, as you can see on the screen, 6 nurturing sequences of 60 days. So right now these are in draft, but people are going through the welcome sequence and the first 60-day nurturing sequence. So let me show you quickly, because this is similar to GetResponse. But the cool thing about Funnel Freedom is that we have already the emails. So, and inside of the emails, people are going to find affiliate links for the 14 affiliate links that I showed to you. So check this out. Here, with these emails, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, which is the supporting offer number 2. I have 2 people waiting on this step. So Funnel Freedom is going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send the email, another email, Legendary Marketer review. And basically, if people click the link inside of this email, they will have access to the landing page. And the landing page is going to be something like this. It's going to have, it has a title, then Jonathan Montoya's YouTube video talking about Legendary Marketer, and below the video it has a button. And that says get instant access. And if people click this button and buy the product through this button, they will buy the product by my affiliate link. That is why I think this system is so powerful, because we have this entire ecosystem of products, high ticket products, software that we are promoting, and these are high quality products. Basically, this is the same system that Jonathan utilized, or he used to build his 7-figure affiliate marketing business. And now we can utilize that same system as well. Now you can build this entire ecosystem of products by yourself if you want. But if you are already or if you want to start with affiliate marketing, and if you don't know how to do all this tech stuff, this is a great tool that people can utilize if they are complete beginners, and if they want to start an affiliate marketing business by promoting high quality products, high ticket products. So here we have all the tech stuff done. So the next step is to work on the traffic side, and that is why I want to show you one of the traffic strategies that I use to drive traffic to my funnel, which is YouTube. So check this out. So this is Google Trends, and you can use this strategy to build any YouTube channel in any niche. You just need to find the keyword or search for the keyword that you want to rank. So here I have affiliate marketing, and I want to know what is the trend about these keywords in the United States in the past day. And Google Trends tell me that these are the related queries. So for example, Digistore24 affiliate marketing has a breakout. Best affiliate marketing websites as well. CPA affiliate marketing. So these three keywords, people are searching more information about those keywords. But we can use as well how, for example, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing or how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. And I'm going to use this one. As you can see on the screen, I have here a number that are the searches per month. So this is because I have a software, the name is Keyword Research, and that tells me what is the amount of searches per month for these keywords. And this is great information that I think it's important to have if you want to grow your YouTube channel. So the main strategy is that I'm going to use this keyword, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Then I go to YouTube and put that keyword, and this is the software that I use, TubeBuddy. And I'm going to click here for the weighted score because I want to know if this keyword is good for my YouTube channel. So you can download the free version of TubeBuddy, but it's going to give you only the unweighted score. But if you want to grow your YouTube channel, it's important to have the weighted score because that's exactly for your channel. So check this out. If I use this keyword, it's poor. And I need to find a keyword that is in the green section. And what I can do is that I can add more keywords to this title. So how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's say that in 2024. Now I'm going to check this variation because I want to know that if I can get a better weighted score. And as you can see, right now I have 41. So if I can change this keyword to have like a better overall score, is going to help my YouTube video to rank in the first spots. Now that depends as well of the competitiveness of the niche. For example, the affiliate marketing niche and the make money online niche is super competitive. And growing a YouTube channel in that niche is hard, but you can do it if you put in the work. If you put in the work, guys, you can make commissions with affiliate marketing. You can do this. So that is why I recorded a video about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024. And that is my main title for this video because it has a good overall score. So now if you can get a title in the green section, it's going to help you grow faster. That is the main strategy. And then you need to put that keyword in the description and in the tags. Write a good description with chapters and links to another YouTube videos. And that is how I'm growing my YouTube channel. And YouTube is one of the most powerful channels or social media channels that you can use for your affiliate business. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that you got value from this video. That's it for this video. God bless and talk to you soon. Bye.